Hi friends, I am Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. Today I am going to tell you about a highly useful and interesting website. Its name is PhET. You can see it on this screen. It is an open and non-profit platform where you will find a large collection of interactive simulations. This was created by the University of Colorado Boulder in 2002. So let's have a look at this. You will find the link of this website in the description of this video. You can check it, or you can type PhET on the Google and the first link is of this website. Just click on this and this website will be opened. Now here is an option for you to play with simulations. Okay, click on this play with simulations. You can see there is a large collection of interactive simulations on various topics like physics, biology, chemistry, earth science, math. Okay, you can also categorize these simulations by grade level, by device, and you can find all the simulations here in all sims. Okay, I'm clicking on this all sims, all the simulations. So all the simulations will be opened here alphabetically. Okay, here A simulations on A, then simulations on B. So it is a list in alphabetical order. Okay, I will show you few simulations here, how they work. You can check all these simulations. This is a long list. Let's check any simulation. Okay, let's click on this energy skate park basics. Okay, on clicking, this page will be opened. Here you can click on this download, or you can directly play this because it is in HTML5. Okay, this simulation is in HTML5. Okay, you can click on this directly. Actually, here some simulations are in JavaScript, and they are originally were in JavaScript, but they may not support some devices, so they are converting all the simulations now in HTML5. Okay, so if it is in HTML5, you can easily click and play with these simulations. Here you see I'm putting it on this track. Okay, it is moving. Here is a chart of a pie chart, bar graph, grid, and speed. Okay, here you can analyze this person's kinetic energy, potential energy, and thermal energy. This is showing the speed. You can change the mass of this person. Okay, mass of this boy. Okay, by this, and you can see the variations in kinetic, potential, thermal, and total energy. So you can observe it's this person's kinetic, potential, and thermal energy, and the total energy is bar graph, and here on this boy's head is the pie chart. Okay, grid, and speedometer is also present. So you can play with this. Okay, you can change the mass, and there are other simulations in this also, like this track has been changed, and you can also make your own track by this. Okay, so this was about this particular simulation. Other simulations you can also see, like of biology, chemistry. Let's see some simulations on biology. In this way you can categorize them as per your topic, subject wise. Okay, various like density, eating and exercise, gene expression, essentials, membrane channels, etc. You can visit this website. And one more thing that I want to tell you, that here is the collection of interactive simulations in HTML5. If I click on this, I will get all the simulations in HTML5. You read this important notice here, that by converting our simulations to HTML5, we make them seamlessly available across platforms and devices. Okay, originally the all simulations were in Java, and they are converting them into HTML5. So if it is in HTML5, you can run them on your any platform or device. And but if it is in Java, then how will you run it? Let me show you. Let's click on this all simulations again. In all simulations, you will see here the tag. You see here it is written as 5. Okay, so it is for HTML5 tag, and here is the symbol of Java. So if I click on this Java, this is for alpha decay interactive simulation, and on clicking on this it will not play actually. Okay, so I will have to first download it. I'm downloading this alpha decay. Let's download it. Here it is downloading in the bottom, you see. Now this has been downloaded, and you will see the message, this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep alpha decay jar file? Okay, it is a jar file, JavaScript file. So as you believe this source is safe, PhET. Okay, so you click on this keep. Okay, and now show in folder. Okay, click on show in folder. You will see here that it is here is our file in downloads folder. You will see here is our file alpha decay in downloads folder. Right click on this and you will see with the open with. Okay, click on open with. This is open this with Java TM platform SE binary. If you do not have this in your computer installed, then you can download the Java platform SE binary. Okay, by typing it on the Google, you can freely download it and then run it. Okay, with this Java platform, it is opening. So it has opened. In this way you can run any file that is not in HTML5 but it is in JavaScript, written in JavaScript. So important thing is that this is completely free and open source platform by the University of Colorado Boulder. Whether you are an educator or a student, you can use it for your advantage. You will really like it. You can also watch my PhET simulations on YouTube. I will put the link of my playlist of videos that I created by using these PhET interactive simulations. You will enjoy the collection of simulations. One more interesting thing that I want to tell you is there is also an app available for PhET simulations on Android, for Android devices, on the Google Play Store. You can download and run these simulations and play with these simulations on your mobile phone. Okay, and let me tell you more things about this website. You can categorize these simulations by grade level and also by device. Okay, if I click on this grade level, you see you will get simulations based on elementary school, middle school, high school and university level simulations. So it will be easier for you to categorize these simulations on the basis of your grade. Okay, like middle, high school, university, and by also device you can categorize it. Here you will see for iPad and tablets and also for Chromebook. Okay, there are teaching resources available, various teaching resources like teacher facilities, tips for using PhET. You can see these various tips for using PhET and a brief introduction to PhET. You can also see it here, various tips and resources for teaching with PhET. One interesting thing that I liked about PhET is whenever you open any simulation, like let's see in this HTML5, for any simulation that you click on, you will see like here I click on this atomic interaction simulation, and under this simulation you will see about and for teachers. If you do not know how to use this simulation and what to do with this simulation, how to play with these simulations, you can click on this about. So here is the simulation of atomic interactions. Okay, and what you can do with this simulation is it is about interaction potential, atomic bonding, van der Waals forces, Pauli's repulsion, like this. And it has also described it, what will you find here, like explore the interaction between various combinations of two atoms, observe the total force acting on the atoms or individual attractive and repulsive forces, customize the attraction, and so on. So in this way, sample learning goals, what you can do, what are your goals while playing with these simulations, and a manual for teachers, a descriptive manual for teachers. But for this to access, you need to sign in, okay, to watch the video premiere, and also various PDF files are available for this simulation. So there is a large library of how to use this simulation, okay. So it is very interesting. It makes it more useful and gives you the direction how to use these simulations properly, how students can use them, and how the teachers can make students understand various concepts, okay. So this manual is very important that you will find on this website along with these interactive simulations. That's why I enjoy this website. It's completely free platform and open source, and various manuals along with the simulations are provided. So I really love it and use it. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the whole video, and you will visit this website. I know you would have loved it. You can see the link of this website in the description. You can click and reach to this website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, Engineering Made Easy, for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.